Welcome to today's session on autoencoders, a special type of neural network that plays a crucial role in dimensionality reduction, feature extraction, and anomaly detection. An autoencoder is a type of neural network that learns to compress and then reconstruct its input. It consists of three main parts. Encoder compresses the input into a lower dimensional representation. Bottleneck, the compact representation, also known as the latent space. Decoder reconstructs the original input from the compressed version. The network is trained to minimize the difference between the original input and the reconstructed output, typically using mean squared error, MSE, as the loss function. Traditional methods like PCA perform linear dimensionality reduction. Autoencoders, on the other hand, can capture nonlinear relationships in the data. By training the autoencoder on high-dimensional data and using only the encoder, we obtain a compressed, low-dimensional representation, which can be used for visualization, speeding up other algorithms, or even storage efficiency. For example, a dataset with 784 features, like MNIST images, can be reduced to just 32 or 64 features, while retaining most of the useful information. Autoencoders can also be used for feature extraction. After training, the encoder learns to map raw input data into a compact, information-rich latent vector. These latent vectors often capture important structures in the data, making them useful features for downstream tasks like classification, clustering, or regression. Think of it like automatic feature engineering, but driven entirely by the model itself. One of the most powerful applications of autoencoders is anomaly detection. Here's how it works. Train the autoencoder only on normal data. During inference, feed in new data. If the reconstruction error is low, the input is likely normal. If the error is high, the input might be an anomaly, since the model couldn't reconstruct it well. This technique is widely used in cybersecurity for detecting intrusions, healthcare for spotting abnormal scans, and manufacturing for identifying defective products. Autoencoders come in several flavors. Denoising autoencoders learn to reconstruct input from a noisy version. Sparse autoencoders enforce sparsity in the latent space for better interpretability. Variational autoencoders, or VAEs, generate new data by learning a probabilistic distribution over the latent space. These extensions make autoencoders even more powerful for generative modeling, unsupervised learning, and representation learning. To summarize, autoencoders are neural networks that learn to reconstruct data. They're useful for dimensionality reduction, feature extraction, and anomaly detection. They can learn nonlinear representations better than traditional methods, and they're the foundation for many advanced AI applications today. Thanks for joining this deep dive into autoencoders. If you're learning machine learning or building models for real-world applications, understanding autoencoders is a must. Keep exploring, keep learning.